Former San Francisco quarterback turned racial justice advocate Colin Kaepernick is one of the new faces of Nike's iconic Just Do It campaign, which is celebrating its 30th anniversary. Considering Kaepernick is suing NFL owners for allegedly colluding to keep him out of the game, the new ad can be seen as a subtle, yet powerful jab to the league. Kaepernick tweeted the new ad, which features a close-up on him with the caption, "Believe in something, even if it means sacrificing everything."
This, of course, speaks volumes to Kaepernick's protest against racial injustice during football games when he took a knee instead of standing during the national anthem. Just to be clear, this was not a protest against the national anthem or the U.S. flag, but against racial injustice. Since he took a knee 2 years ago, he started a movement of protests as athletes across the nation followed suit.
Forever a trailblazer and a man who stands for what he believes in, Kaepernick opted out of his contract with the 49ers and became a free agent after the 2016 season. He has since become an ardent supporter of racial justice and fair treatment of people of color by authorities. In addition to Kaepernick, Odell Beckham Jr., Shaquem Griffin, Lacey Baker, Serena Williams and LeBron James are part of Nike's 30th anniversary Just Do It campaign. Check out Kaepernick's ad below.
https://twitter.com/Kaepernick7/status/103695513251434498.
What do you think about it? Share your opinion in the comments below the video. And also subscribe to the channel not to miss new, interesting videos.